Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete button next to the Edit one. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!